Namaste friends. In the previous video lesson, we worked out three problems with reference to overdraft balance of bank or reconciliation statement. Already explained in that video lesson how to prepare bank or reconciliation statement when overdraft balance is given. And almost all 9 problems we have done in favorable balance, and already 3 problems in the previous lesson. Now 3 problems total. We are working out the 15 problems in bank reconciliation statement. If you follow all these video lesson, no doubt the third unit of BCom first year financial accounting will be over. So almost all these 6 videos are going to occupy more than 3 hours. Within 3 hours, you can complete. In total, these 6 video lessons are going to take 180 minutes. That means 3 hours. Within 3 hours, you can complete 1 unit. And at the same time, you feel very happy because you can understand all 15 problems, and you never make a mistake in preparing bank reconciliation. So, okay, let us start screen sharing. So this is sixth video lesson on bank reconciliation statement. In this also I have given problems and solutions. 3 problems are explained with a easy way. And by the end of this video lesson, you are going to know how to prepare BRS when unfavorable balance is given, and you know the questions and answers for 3 problems when overdraft balance is given in bank reconciliation statement. So the procedure preparing BRS, we have 3 points. First, you have to, when a problem is given, you have to identify which book balance is given. This is cash book or passbook. Which book balance is given. Second point is with every point of difference, with every point of difference, the given book balance increase or decrease. This is most important point. For every point of difference given, maybe 4 points or 5 points, for every point of difference, you have to identify whether that book balance is increase or decrease. If favorable balance is given, favorable balance means cash book debit balance, passbook credit balance. Favorable balance is given means cash book debit balance, passbook credit balance means favorable balance. If favorable balance is given, if that book increases, less the amount. If that book decreases, add the amount. This is the fundamental point. If overdraft balance is given, OD balance is given, that means what is OD balance? Cash book credit balance, passbook debit balance is nothing but OD balance. If OD balance is given, if that book increases, add the amount of point of difference. If that book decreases, less the amount of point of difference. This is the this following formula. This is so. What are the 2 important points? What are the 3 important points given? First, students are they have to see which book balance is given, cash book or pass book. First point. Second point, that given book balance or cash book or pass book. For the point of difference given, maybe 4 or 5 maybe there. For every point of difference, that book balance increase or decrease. If that book balance increases, if it is favorable balance, less. If it is ordered balance, add. If that balance is, if the book balance is decreases, that is favorable balance, add. If that is ordered balance, less. This is the simple way of doing a bank reconciliation statement. Okay, we'll make so once again I will explain. This is fundamental basic knowledge of BRS. If you understand this one, if you understand how cash book is prepared, how passbook is prepared, What is these are the point of differences why cash book and passbook does not agree. These are the point of difference. These are going to you're going to get in the problem. So how this point of difference is going to be recorded in cash book and passbook, you have to understand. And only making and preparing BRS is very easy to understand. First point already I mentioned, checks issued but not presented for payment. Whenever check issued, first check issued means that is payment credited cash book. Whatever the payment created cash book decreases. Cash book decreases. As that is not presented for payment, passbook increases. That you have to know first point. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Cash book because it is created cash book decreases and not recorded in passbook. This is first point fundamental. Second point, checks deposited but not collected by the bank. Whenever check is received by the from the customers, the check is debited to cash book, bank column, cash book, bank column. So whatever the receipt, cash book is debited, cash book balance increases, cash book balance increases. The same is not recorded in the, not collected by the banker, so passbook balance increases. Checks deposited but not collected, cash book increases, passbook increases. Third point, debits in passbook, bank charges debited in passbook. Whatever the debit, which is payment side, withdrawal side, if you debit passbook, passbook decreases. If you debit passbook, passbook decreases. That you have to understand. To understand, if you debit passbook, passbook decreases. That you have to understand. So bank charges debited only in passbook, passbook decreases, but not recorded in cash book, cash book increases. So bank charges debit only in passbook, passbook decreases, cash book decreases. Interest on overdraft debited only in passbook. Usually interest on overdraft, the amount is calculated and debited by the banker. Whatever the debit in passbook, passbook balance decreases, passbook balance decreases. Not recorded in the cash book balance increases. Cash book balance increases. Passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases. So here, interest on overdraft debited only in passbook, passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases. Interest on deposits created only in passbook. Interest on deposits created in passbook means passbook balance increases. Interest on deposits created only in passbook. Whatever the income, whatever the receipt created in passbook, passbook balance increases. Not recorded in cash book balance decreases. So interest on deposits created only in passbook, passbook balance increases, cash book balance decreases. Direct payment on behalf of customer. So bank paid insurance premium, other expenses on behalf of the customer. Automatically, whatever the payment the bank pays, our bank account is going to decrease, passbook balance decreases, but not entered in cash book balance increases. Direct payment on behalf of customer, passbook balance decreases, cash book balance increases. Direct collection on behalf of customer payment. Bank not only pays from our side, but also sometimes it is going to collect money directly collected by the banker. Interest on deposits, maybe interest on investments, dividends collected by the banker. Whatever the receipts are received by the banker, after collection, they will credit automatically. Passbook balance increases, passbook balance increases, but not recorded cash book decreases. So direct collection by the bank, passbook balance increases, cash book balance decreases. Dishonor of checks or bills, dishonor of checks or bills, whatever the dishonor, automatically debited by the banker, passbook balance decreases, not recorded in the cash book balance increases. So dishonor of checks, bills, debited in passbook balance decreases, cash book. These are the basic 8 points I showed with point of reference, with how they are recorded in cash book, how they are recorded in passbook. This is very, very important. So usually you won't find this type of table, how these points, in these 8 points of difference, nobody shows you by cash book like this, passbook like this. This is very important. You have to understand this basic point. Why I'm taking it easy means, so nobody, these two tables, cash book debit, cash book credit. Passbook debit, passbook. So you have to understand that point. Cash book means here bank column only, cash book, bank column. Simply this is bank account. Bank reconciliation statement reconciles the bank account of the customer, bank account of the passbook. This is the most important. Reconciliation of bank account within the books of the businessman with that of passbook. Simply we need not say cash book. Bank account, this is only bank account. So usually cash book debit side receipts, if you write receipts usually increases. Cash book credit side payments, if you write payments, this is a decreases. This is decreases. Like that, passbook debit side means withdrawals. Passbook debit side withdrawals are payments. Passbook decreases debit side. Passbook credit side means deposits, receipts. Passbook credit side increases. And the cash book debit balance given means favorable balance. When favorable balance, cash book increases, you have to less. Cash book decreases, you have to add. When overdraft balance, cash book credit balance means cash book credit balance means overdraft. Cash book credit balance means overdraft balance. Cash book credit balance given means if cash book increases, add, decreases. And the passbook debit balance means overdraft balance. Passbook debit balance, overdraft balance. When overdraft balance is given, if it increases, add, decreases, less. Passbook credit balance means favorable balance. Passbook credit balance, favorable balance. If increases, less. If decreases. These are the fundamental points. This is very, very important. If you understand this, bank or reconciliation statement is very easy for anybody. So next I have 3 problems. On comparing the passbook with cash book, the following differences were noted. Prepare BRS with the help of cash book overdraft balance. Cash book overdraft balance 12,000. Cash book overdraft balance 12,000. Directly they have given cash book overdraft balance. That means cash book increases, add, decreases, less. So I will work. I will read the problem so that you can. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment 4,000. Checks sent for collection not yet realized 5,000. Checks of rupees 800 deposited into bank but forgot to enter in cash book. A check drawn on firm's current account wrongly debited in the savings account. The receipt side of cash book has been under cash by 500. In the previous video lesson, I have taken only 4 basic points and I explained how to prepare BRS and OD balance. In this, I have taken 3 problems which are very important and somewhat critical also. So first point taken is cash book OD balance given 12,000. Cash book OD balance 12,000. That means the cash book increases, add. If cash book decreases, less. So checks issued but not yet presented for payment. Direct point. Check issued means cash book rate, cash book decreases. Check issued means cash book rate, cash book decreases. So given is cash book decreases means less. Checks issued but not presented for payment. Cash book decreases, less. Check issued but not presented for payment. Cash book check issued means cash book rate, cash book decreases because it is OD balance. Cash book decreases way too less. Cash book decreases way too less. Check sent for collection not yet realized. So checks are deposited but not collected. Checks sent for checks deposited. So whenever checks sent to bank, automatically we debit cash book. Cash book means cash book balance increases. Cash book balance increases. But given cash book OD balance, cash book balance increases by to add. Checks sent for collection not yet realized. That is checks deposited but not collected. Cash book increases. OD balance you have to add. Right? A check 800 deposited to bank account but forgot to enter in cash book. When check comes, automatically we have to debit cash book. When you debit cash book increases, but they forgot to debit. That means cash book balance decreased. When check came, we have to debit the cash book balance increased, but they forgot to debit. That means instead of increase, cash book balance decreased. Given is cash book balance decreased means we have to less. Checks deposited but not forgot to enter in cash book balance decreased at less. Check drawn on firm's current account wrongly debited in the savings account. So we drawn means check, we issued a check. we issue a check means a cash book. Cash book credit. We check drawn, check issued. Check drawn means check issued. When you issue a check, automatically cash book credited, cash book decreases, but not entered in passbook. Entered in some savings account, not current account. That simply means not entered in firm's current account. Entered somewhere else. That means checks issued but not presented for payment. When check issued but not presented for payment, check drawn equal to check issued but not presented for payment. Cash book decreases at less. Cash checks drawn not entered in passbook at less. The receipt side of cash book as under cash payment. I already told you. Under casting means that amount not entered. The receipt side of cash book has been under cash payment. This will not be available for the purpose of you only. I have under casting or casting. I have given like under casting that amount not entered. So receipt side of cash book under cash book 500. Receipt side means debit side. If debit side 500 entered means cash book increases, but not entered means cash book decreases. Once again, receipt side of cash book under cash book 500. That means receipt side amount not entered. Receipt side cash book debit means if amount is entered, cash book increases. Not entered means cash book decreases. Given also cash book OD balance decreases means less 500. So 12,000 plus 5,000. 70. This is add 17,000. 17,000 minus or less all 4,800. 5,900, 6,400 less. 17,000 minus 6,400, 10,600. This is balance as per cash book OD. This is balance as per passbook OD. Passbook OD. This is about 13th problem. This is about 13th problem. If you have any doubts, you can directly through YouTube. You can comment. You can send me. I will no doubt. So this is about the 13th problem. Next, this is 14th problem. I will read the problem once again. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement when the passbook OD balance is given is 10,000. Passbook OD balance given is 10,000. A check for ₹1,000 deposited but not recorded in the cash book. A cash deposit of 200 was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column. A check issued 250 was recorded as 205 in the cash book. The debit balance of ₹1,500 as on the previous day was brought forward as credit balance. The payment side of the cash book was under cash balance. The cash discount allowed 112 was recorded, 121 in the bank column. Check of ₹500 received from a debtor was recorded in the cash book but not deposited in the bank. One outgoing check 300 was recorded twice in the cash book. This is the problem. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So 8 point of difference is given. So first point the given is passbook debit balance. Passbook debit balance means passbook OD balance. Passbook debit balance means passbook OD balance 10,000. When passbook debit balance is given, OD balance is given, OD balance is given, passbook increases add, passbook decreases less. This is fundamental point. Whatever the OD balance given, or when OD balance is given, if that book increases, add, decreases less. First point. Checks 1,000 deposited, not recorded in the cash book. When check is deposited in bank, automatically we are going to debit cash book, but not recorded in the cash book. If we debit cash book, cash increases, but not debited, cash book decreases. Cash book decreases means passbook increases. Given is passbook increased, we have to add. Checks deposited but not recorded 1,000. A cash deposit 200 was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column wherein. So actually when cash is deposited, why to debit bank column of the cash book, but they are saying that there is no bank column. They forgot to enter in bank column. So when cash deposit, cash book debited in bank column. If it is debited, cash book increases, but they are not debited. They are not debited. That means cash book decreases. That means cash book decreases. So when cash book decreases, passbook increases. When passbook is wet add. The first 2 points: check 1000 sent to bank, not recorded in cash book. Cash deposit 200. See here, check 1000 sent to bank, not recorded in cash book. A cash deposit at 200 not entered in cash deposit 200 not entered in bank column, not entered in bank column of the cash book, not entered in bank column of the cash book. These two entries actually debited to cash book but not debited. That's why cash book debited means increases, but not debited means cash book decreases. Passbook increases. Given is passbook OD balance. Passbook increase means wait. Third point. A check issued 250 was recorded as 205 in the cash card. When a check issued, why to credit 250 in the bank column, but they didn't return in bank column. They return in cash column. That too wrong. So they did a mistake in cash column 205. That is wrong. But they did not entered in the bank column. That means check issued, not entered in cash. When check is showed, entered in cash book decreases, but not entered cash book increases. Cash book increases means passbook decreases. Given passbook code decrease means less. Check issued not recorded in bank column. Check issued not recorded. If recorded in bank column, cash book. If recorded in cash column, cash book decreases, but not recorded in bank column. So what happens? Cash book increases. Cash book increases means passbook decreases. Given passbook code balance, passbook decrease means less 250. Forget about 205. The debit balance of 1500 on the previous day brought forward as credit balance. The debit balance, nothing. This is what debit balance of what? Cash book. Debit balance of cash book 1500 means cash book increases, but they didn't debit it. That means cash book decreases. But they shown in credit side 1500. That means 1500 cash book decreases. So actually they wrongly showed credit side of cash book decreases. But they didn't shown debit side 1000. So total 3000 cash book decreases. Total 3000 cash book decreases means passbook increases. Given is passbook OD, increase means add. So debit balance carried forward as credit balance 3000 add. So one debit not debited, that's why cash book decreases. One credit erroneously entered, cash book decreases. Total 3000 cash book decreases means total 3000 passbook increases. Given is passbook OD balance, passbook increases, add 3000. The payment side of the cash book, was under cash by 100. Under cash means already told that amount was not entered. If that amount is entered in payment side of cash book decreases, but not entered means cash book increases. Given is cash book increase means passbook decreases. Given is passbook decrease means less. Payment side of cash book under cash 100 less. So what once again? Payment side of cash book under cash book 100 means payment side means credit side of cash book. Now under cash means that amount not entered. If that amount is entered in cash book credit side, cash book decreases, but not entered means cash book increases. Cash book increase means passbook decreases. Given is passbook body, decrease means less. A cash discount 112 was recorded 121 in the bank column. Whatever it may be, 121 wrongly entered in bank column. Discount allowed usually debit side. That means bank column 121 debited erroneously. You forget about 112 cash discount. We are not comparing that. But 121 bank column, discount allowed means debit side. So 121 bank column means cash book increases. Cash book increases means passbook decreases. Given is passbook OD decreases means less. Cash discount allowed recorded in bank column less. A check 500 received from debtor was recorded in the cash book but not deposited in the bank collection. Check received 500, we debited cash book increases. Not sent to bank, passbook decreases. Given is passbook decrease means less. Cash check deposit not entered in cash book means 500. Not deposited in the bank for collection. Not entered in check deposited but not entered in passbook. Check deposited means cash book increases. Cash book increases. Not recorded in passbook means passbook decreases. Given is passbook. OD decrease means less. Check deposited not entered in passbook 500 less. One outgoing check 300 was recorded twice in the outgoing check means check drawn, check issued, entered twice in the that. I'm sharing 1 second. There is some problem. So one outgoing check means check drawn. Outgoing check means check drawn, check issued. So one time no problem. Once I created cash book, but second time erroneously created cash book decreases. Cash book decreases means passbook increases. Given is passbook OD balance. Passbook increases means right to add. Outgoing check recorded as add. So 10,000 add this 1,000 4,000. 500, 10,000 plus 4,500, 14,500, minus 250, minus 100, minus 151, minus 500, total 500, 600, 971, 14,500 minus less 971, 13,529 is cash book OD balance or cash book credit balance. Passbook debit balance is cash book credit. Passbook debit balance is OD balance, that's OD balance. So this is the last problem. 15. We have 115 problem. It is not coming. Okay, 15 problem. We have some other. One second, I am sharing 15 problem. Wait. So we have 15th problem in front of us. From the following, but let's prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Sri Krishnan on March 31st, 2014. Balance as per cash book OD. Balance as per cash book OD. Balance as per cash book OD 10,000. Bank collected a check 500 on behalf of Sri Krishnan, but created in Kishan's account. This is bank recorded a cash book deposit 1589 as 1598. Withdrawal column of the passbook under cash 500. The credit balance of 1,500 as on the passbook was recorded in the debit balance. The payment side payment for check 350 was recorded twice in the passbook. The passbook showed a credit balance for a check of 3,000 deposit by Sri Krishna. So we are working out Sri Krishnan problem. There are some errors with entry of Kishan also. But our problem is about Krishnan, but Krishan's confusion is there. That's why there is a requirement of this. So balance as per cash book OD 10,000. Cash book OD 10,000. First point. Bank collected a check 500 on behalf of Krishnan, but wrongly credited to Krishna's account. Krishna's account. Actually, 500 created to passbook, but not created to Krishnan passbook, created to some other's account. That means what happens? Passbook balance, what happens? Decreased. Cash book balance increased. Given is cash book OD. Cash book OD. Cash book OD. Given is cash book OD. So 500 not created in Krishna. If created, passbook increases. Not created means passbook decreases. Passbook decrease means cash book increases. Given is cash book increase means add. Check collected wrongly entered in other account. So cash book increases later. Bank recorded cash book deposited 1589 as 1598. 9 rupees extra recorded by the passbook deposit side and credit side. 9 rupees extra in passbook credit side and passbook increases 9 rupees. Passbook increases means cash book decreases. Given is cash book. Cash book decreases means we have to less because cash book. Wrong entry in passbook 9 rupees extra. Passbook increases. Cash book decreases. Given is cash book decreases means less. Withdrawal column of the passbook under cash by 100 rupees. That means withdrawal column means passbook withdrawal column means debit column of the passbook under cash by 100. Under cash means that amount not entered. If that amount entered in passbook debit side, passbook decreases. Not entered means passbook increases. Passbook increases means cash book decreases. Given is cash book OD. Decreases means less. Withdrawal column of passbook under cash 100 rupees less. The credit balance 1500 on the passbook was recorded in the debit balance. This is carry forward balance in passbook. Passbook credit balance means 1500. Credit balance means increases but not shown credit. That means 1500 decreases. Erroneously debited. Debit passbook debit means passbook 1500. So error debit 1500. Error debit 1500. Passbook decreases. Not entered in the credit side 1500 passbook. Total 3000 passbook decrease. Total 1500 wrong debit passbook decreases. 1500 no credit passbook decreases. So passbook decreases by total 3000. 1500 3000 decreases. Passbook decrease means cash book increases. Given is cash book. Cash book increase means we have to add credit balance carried forward as debit balance. We have to add 3000. The payment of a check 350 was recorded twice in the passbook. Payment side in passbook means debit side. One time okay, debit side no problem. Second time debit wrong debit means passbook decreases. Wrong debit passbook. Passbook decrease means cash book increases. Given as cash book OD. Cash book increase means add check payment record twice in the passbook. Add. The passbook showed a credit balance for a check 1000 deposit to Sri Kishan deposited, but entered in Krishna credit. Krishna credit means our passbook increases. Our passbook increases. Our passbook increases means cash book decreases. Given is cash book decreases less. Check of Krishna wrongly created passbook. So this is about less. This is about add 10,000. Add 3,850. 13,850 minus 1109. 1109. 12,741 is the balance as per passbook overdraft. Given is cash book overdraft, the balance answer is passbook overdraft. This is about total 15 questions we solved in bank reconciliation statement. Total we have 3 hours of video lessons are there for the bank reconciliation statement. If you follow these 3 hours, no doubt you will be very good at bank or reconciliation statement. There will not be any confusion if you hear my all the 15 problems with almost all 3 hours video lessons. No doubt you will feel very happy, feel blessed by viewing my video lessons. If you like my video lessons, please subscribe my channel. Okay, that's all from today. Thank you.